What if I told you that a 54-year-old Harvard doctor just proved, using his own body, that you can feel younger, sharper, and stronger as you age? No magic pill, no surgery, just 5 daily habits that changed everything. Meet Dr. David Sinclair. At age 44, his joints ached, his energy faded. But today, at 54, his blood work shows markers better than a healthy 20-year-old. And in this video, I'll walk you through exactly what he did and how you can safely apply it too. If you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, and you're tired of feeling like your body is just getting old, please don't go anywhere. Because this isn't about wishful thinking. It's about biology and hope. They told you aging was just wear and tear, that your fatigue, fog, stiffness, and weight gain were normal. But Dr. Sinclair, a genetics professor at Harvard Medical School, strongly disagrees. According to decades of research, aging is not just decay. It's a process we can influence. He calls it software corruption in the body. And with the right choices, you can reboot the system. I've looked at my blood chemistry, and I'm now biologically younger than ever, he says. Here are 5 longevity habits that changed everything. 1. Move till you're breathless, just 3 times a week. You don't need a gym. You don't need dumbbells. All you need is movement that makes you slightly breathless. Dr. Sinclair recommends 10 minutes of brisk, heart-pumping movement, just 3 times per week. This could be a fast-paced walk around the block, going up and down the stairs a few times, dancing to your favorite oldies in the living room, gentle jogging or stationary biking. What matters isn't intensity, it's effort relative to you. You want to feel like you're working hard enough that you can't hold a full conversation easily. Why does this work? Because it creates a state called mild hypoxia, low oxygen, which tells your cells, we need to survive. Your body then releases protective molecules that improve circulation, build and maintain lean muscle, boost your mitochondria, the energy centers in your cells, activate longevity genes like AMPK and PGC1-alpha. In fact, studies show seniors who regularly engage in brief, intense movement reduce cardiovascular disease risk by 30%, improve balance and coordination, lower their risk of falls and fractures. Think of it like waking up your cells. Every time you push your body just a bit, you're reminding it, I'm not done yet. 2. Shrink your eating window, time-restricted eating. This may be the single most powerful daily change you can make without changing what you eat. It's called time-restricted eating or intermittent fasting. Dr. Sinclair usually eats within a 6-hour window daily, often skipping breakfast and having one main vegan meal in the evening. But that's not where most people begin. Here's a step-by-step guide you can follow. Week 1. Stop eating after 7 p.m. No snacks afterward. Week 2. Delay breakfast by 1 hour each day. Week 3. Try eating only between 12 p.m. and 6 p.m., a 6-hour eating window. What happens during the hours you're not eating? Autophagy turns on. Your body starts cleaning itself, breaking down old, damaged cells and recycling them. Think of it like your body's built-in spring cleaning. Inflammation drops. Without constant digestion, your immune system gets a break and starts repairing rather than reacting. Energy becomes steady. Your liver learns to create glucose steadily, gluconeogenesis, preventing crashes and brain fog. Dr. Sinclair recommends drinking water, with lemon if you like, green or black tea, black coffee in moderation, herbal tea, to curb appetite during fasting windows. Hungry? Try a handful of almonds or walnuts, a cup of bone broth, a small slice of avocado. It takes about 3 weeks for your liver to adapt, but once it does, hunger fades and clarity replaces it. 3. Eat more stressed plants, xenohormesis. You've likely heard, eat your vegetables. But Sinclair goes one step further. Eat vegetables that have fought to survive. This is based on xenohormesis, the idea that plants under stress, from sun, wind, bugs, or poor soil, produce special compounds to protect themselves. When you eat those plants, you get those protective compounds too. These include polyphenol, resveratrol, quercetin, EGSG. Flavonoids, like luteolin. Sirtuin-activating compounds, like oleic acid. Sinclair's top longevity foods. Dark green leafy veggies, spinach, kale, arugula. Deep red and purple fruits, berries, red cabbage, purple carrots. Spices, turmeric, rosemary, ginger. Matcha green tea. High in EGCG, boosts brain function. Cold-pressed olive oil, contains oleic acid, activates sirtuins. Fermented foods, like kimchi or miso, support gut health. Want to try this? Start by replacing one meal a day with a spinach salad with olive oil plus lemon dressing. Steamed purple cabbage with turmeric rice. Matcha tea in the morning. If your food has fought for its life, it may help you extend yours. 4. Support your cells with 3 key supplements. Dr. Sinclair is cautious about supplements. He doesn't sell or endorse any brands, but based on his research, he personally takes 3. Resveratrol, 1g/day with yogurt. From grape skins, activates sirtuins. Your cells repair enzymes. NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide, a type of vitamin B3 that boosts NAD+ levels, which drop as we age. Higher NAD equals better cellular energy, repair, and cognitive performance. Metformin, a prescription diabetes drug that may reduce cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's risk. Note: ask your doctor before starting. Antioxidants failed. These work by tapping into the body's natural defenses. 5. Avoid these 5 foods that accelerate aging. Sinclair made 5 dietary eliminations that had massive effects on his inflammation, energy, and brain clarity. Sugar. Fructose especially. It spikes blood sugar, feeds disease, and accelerates aging. Cancer cells love sugar. The less you give them, the better. Refined carbohydrates, bread, pasta. White bread causes glucose spikes, crashes, hunger, weight gain. He says skipping toast alone stabilized his energy. Red meat. While occasional fish is fine, daily meat, especially processed or fatty cuts, raises cholesterol and inflammation. Plant proteins offer better amino acid profiles for longevity. Dairy. Even without lactose issues, cutting dairy reduced his cholesterol and fatigue. Too much protein activates mTOR, another aging accelerator. Daily alcohol. Sinclair avoids alcohol entirely. But if you love wine, choose Pinot Noir. It's highest in resveratrol. Your liver deserves a break too. Sinclair's results? At 54, his testosterone, inflammation, glucose, and blood cell levels are better than they were in his 20s. He looks younger than he did a decade ago. But more importantly, he feels better, more focused, more alive. You don't have to do everything overnight. Start with one thing. Maybe skip breakfast one day. Or walk briskly until you're breathless for 10 minutes. Or swap your toast for spinach and olive oil. These practices activate sirtuins, the body's cellular repair crew. Autophagy, natural cell recycling. AMPK and mTOR, key metabolic regulators that control fat storage and aging. Studies from Harvard, MIT, and top journals show that time-restricted eating improves insulin sensitivity. Polyphenol reduce inflammation and support brain health. NAD+ boosters restore energy levels in older adults. If you've been told this is just aging, I want you to know, it doesn't have to be. Your body hasn't failed you. It's been waiting for the right signals. What Dr. Sinclair discovered isn't a secret code for the elite, it's biology. And biology responds to daily choices. So maybe, just maybe, today can be the day you reclaim your energy, your clarity, your hope. You don't have to do it alone. Share this with someone you care about. And if you're ready, pick one habit to start today. Because you're not getting older, you're getting wiser. What to expect each day. Day 1 to 2. A soothing sensation during and after the massage. Legs may feel slightly warmer and less tense. You may notice improved sleep due to better comfort. Day 3 to 4. Swelling begins to noticeably reduce. You may find it easier to get up from a chair or walk longer distances without discomfort. Day 5 to 6. Improved circulation leads to more energy in your steps. Nighttime cramps or twitching may reduce significantly. Day 7. Many seniors report feeling lighter on their feet, more confident in their balance, and surprised by how much a simple nightly ritual has improved their mobility and mindset. This isn't just about physical relief. For many, this becomes an emotional turning point, a way to take ownership of their body's healing, rather than surrendering to decline. Simple, consistent care builds trust between you and your own body again. When you massage your legs with attention and breathe through it, you're not just treating a symptom. You're telling yourself, I'm still worth this. That alone has immense healing power. If your legs are speaking to you through swelling, aches, or fatigue, don't ignore them. Don't wait until it gets worse. Give yourself just 7 days. Try this nightly ritual. Reconnect with your legs. Reconnect with your strength. And if it brings you relief, please share it with someone you care about. You never know who else is quietly struggling to stay steady and might just need this gentle nudge to begin their own healing. Your body hasn't failed you. It's been waiting for you to listen. Let tonight be the night you say yes to healing.